3 is where we need to go.
Yeah, we're going with that.
Picture of a picture of a picture.
Hey-o.
All right. What's going on?
It's colder than it looks.
Of course it is.
I should have wore my flannel jacket.
Visitor information?
Visitor information.
I've got one of those.
Oh, well, here's
Trevor is the visitor information.
He is the visitor.
Just put it, tuck it under. I don't know. Yeah, there we go.
Hey.
Chaz.
Like almost hanging out like that.
Where did you read that?
On there. Side.
Hello? Hello?
Thank you, sir. Oh, yes. Good day. Is there a way we could be, is it upstairs, is outside as well?
Yep.
In the back left part. Alright, you guys want to go upstairs outside?
Yeah, right there. I feel like we should be able to.
There's no way.
And have them walk about the vessel and not run. There is the possibility of encountering rough water. When moving about the vessel, watch your step and hold on to a handrail, especially when going up or down stairwells.
Simon?
Okay.
For your security, please keep all personal items in your possession at all times while on the ferries and while on Alcatraz.
That thing. Look at that thing.
Do not accept packages, parcels, or bags from strangers.
You're a bad
Look at that.
We hope that you enjoy your cruise.
What you call that thing
And
there you
thank
got
you
there, huh?
for sailing with Alcatraz Cruises.
Hey, it's the pointy thing. I've seen it.
Look at
I've seen
that.
Darth
Vader building. Just landed.
Alcatraz, the most infamous island in the
Painted
world.
the Golden Gate Bridge silver.
We invite you to explore
yeah.
its
That's Bay
multi-layered
Bridge.
history.
Whatever.
You'll walk in the footsteps of America's most dangerous criminals and the men
Golden Gate Bridge
who
was
guarded
orange.
them.
Where is it?
Hear their
that way.
voices and
That's Bay Bridge.
experience their daily lives
I don't see
when
it.
you tour the federal penitentiary.
Oh, yeah.
Although it's known as the Rock, you'll be amazed at the island's natural beauty. Discover the secrets of its historic gardens
We're just complaining.
and keep an eye out for abundant bird life. But also, be on the lookout for the remains of a Civil War fort,
Really?
a 19th century stronghold that protected San Francisco Bay from potential invaders.
Which never came.
And even after the notorious penitentiary closed, Alcatraz continued to make history.
Uh-oh. We lost 4G. Now I'm on T-Mobile.
There's no hope for you now.
I'm definitely in prison now.
Oh, this little door.
When you were really bad.
Cheryl.
Somebody else.
You won't be able to get in.
They did say there was a second bathroom. Open the hole. Open the hole. Oh, daylight. What was that place where the fucking spiral staircase is on broken rings?
Yeah, you can't actually go up them though.
What?
You can't go up the spiral staircases.
Really?
No.
Disappointing. Stop breaking all my dreams. This is it.
Which one I went to?
That's the good museum store.
You get a tour guide for this stuff?
Huh?
You get a tour guide with
You get an audio tour thing.
We can take it, can't we?
trip route?
Simon, what do you think so far?
The first thing you want to learn when you hit Alcatraz is keep your mouth shut, walk with your back to the wall. The Alcatraz cell house opened as a federal prison in 1934. Within these walls lived the country's toughest, most dangerous, and most famous prisoners. Broadway was the first stop for arriving prisoners. We went right down Broadway, in our birthday suits. And all the guys, are howling.
Well, here's a typical Alcatraz cell. Every one of them in the cell house exactly alike. Had a metal tabletop and a little chair, that was about it. The cell was pretty barren.
5 feet wide, 9 feet long, and 7 feet high. That's what I call a little box.
No decorations allowed. Anything, couldn't paste anything on the wall.
Waiting on the bed for each new prisoner was a copy of the official rules and regulations.
This is the rules of the cell house. Your cell is subject to search at any time.
Your towel had to be folded up and put on your shelf. Your toothbrush, and they used to give us tooth powder in little clean containers.
I guess like a cockroach field in a matchbox.
You may smoke in your cell in the library.
We were issued a pack of wings on a Monday, a Wednesday, and a Friday. Every inmate, whether he smoked or not.
Sweep your cell and place the trash in the trash bin.
I knew every mark, everything in that cell.
And sweep your cell and place the trash in the trash bin.
I knew every mark, everything in that cell. And then pretty soon that cell became like a part of me. Or I became a part of the cell. Alcatraz is always classed as the end of the line, the point of no return. It's like going into the ground. When you're buried, you're gone forever.
Prisoners had a decision to make, whether to obey the rules or not, to do good time or bad time. That decision affected their lives dramatically.
An inmate is given housing, good food, medical attention, and all the necessities of life.
Everything else was a privilege. Time to exercise outside, getting books and mail, all had to be earned. One of their favorite privileges was the recreation yard.
The most pleasant place, I believe, on Alcatraz, and the most appreciated. The handball court, the horseshoe court.
Prisoners also played bridge out in the yard. They used dominoes instead of cards.
They came out with a system called Auto Bridge. You played it all by yourself. Guys got so wound up in this bridge thing that they ate and slept it. They'd go out there and it would be so cold that you didn't think you could stay out there. Yet they'd stay out there for 3 hours and play bridge. And if you're occupied with bridge and you're studying bridge, you're not thinking about going over the wall.
Prisoners who chose not to behave ended up in a harsher place, isolation. D Block was the prison within Alcatraz, the treatment unit.
This place is going to operate on the basis that you do what you're told, and you're going to get a fair break. If you don't behave yourself, we're going to come down on you like a ton of bricks.
Unruly or violent prisoners were sent here. They stayed in their cells 24 hours a day. Typically, they were only allowed out once a week for a shower and exercise.
Now, in this cell block, we have 42 of the least popular cells in Alcatraz. Although by far they are the best, the roomiest, and the nicest state-of-the-art cells that were available in this prison.
It was cold. It was damp. The wind used to just blow through there. You could hear it. At night, you could hear it whistling through the windows.
Trevor, you're gonna film anything.
Cheryl. Get out of there. Cheryl.
Cheryl and a seagull.
Neither do I.
I will come down there and get you.
Cheryl's getting barked at by a seagull.
Yes, I am. You want the... Oh, it does open all the way. I want to go challenge the seagull. Where's Eric? He can come with me. Eric's coming. We shall explore.
Don't go.
Weird snake.
Don't get on there.
Is this the actual tour? We're all approved by Governor Arnold Schwarzenegger.
It's pretty cool though. Picture I took of you?
And, was that just now?
No, it was a little while ago.
Was he posing?
No, he was actually in the video.
That's awesome.
Picture.
At the end of 3 decades, over 1,500 men had served time on the rock. By then, Alcatraz had served its own time. After years of harsh wind and weather, the buildings were badly deteriorated. The isolated island was too expensive to run. Goodbye, and thank you for visiting Alcatraz.